Run! It's funny, I'm the one that ended up having to run. I was the one that stayed farthest away from it.
Oh, he's tired now. No stamina.
I was like, hell no, I'm done. He came right for me. I was the one that gave him respect. Here he comes. Dude, I was the one that stayed farthest away, so.
Oh, she didn't go very far. You got it, I think I want to chase you.
Yeah, I stayed farthest away. I'm like, you guys are so stupid, and then you're coming after me.
Running away from the people that are stressing him out.
I was standing there.
No, he was.
Yeah, but did you see all the people who were down there?
Yes.
They don't like people that close to him.
He's saving his energy for when he actually gets some tail. Oh
like,
my God, man.
He's way down there.
Dude, that was funny.
I thought they weren't supposed to be between them. Like,
No, they're not.
then why did she just let them stand there?
Like I was trying to get some.
Look at baby, look at the animal.
Get you some.
I bet you the end of that video is kind of funny.
Will you do it?
I was videotaping when I had to turn around and run.
Like the guy that got ate by the grizzly bears.
Dude, excuse yourself.
Need a thumbs, dude?
Dude, it's echoing up there.
Oh yeah.
Dude, you're the only male, she's the only female. If she ain't giving you nothing yet, she ain't gonna. She ain't impressed yet.
She ran from it.
Yeah, she did.
She's like, oh no.
She was like,
Been there, done that.
Yeah, she ran from it. Straight for me. I was like, holy shit. Yeah, she's way down there now. And she charged into that fence thing.
It must not have very good eyesight.
She's like, ah! God, that's funny. That's good stuff. You thought you scared me. I was like, oh shit. That thing's like 5 of me, 6 of me. Look how cute.
No, he's got an awful big nose.
It's compensating.
Evidently.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh, he's turning. So cute. Look at the big old holes in the sand his nostrils left.
Get over that.
I can crash through it though.
Oh yeah. I've seen it go over fences like this, like they were butter.
Well, then why didn't she do it just now? So cute. was not in between him and that other. Oh, here we go. Put on your show, big boy. Oh. Ew. Get impressive. She's right there. Dude, she ain't even looking.
She's done.
Look at him, he's crying. He didn't get no laugh. Look at him. Dude, you're just like a human. You could be cute until you start belching. Do it.
Yeah.
Took off, and he come up, take off after he did all nothing underneath.
No. He's like, oh yeah? Look at him. Big old pose. Okay, get cozy, boy.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm ready to go. Let's get fucked.
Yeah, we gotta get some food.
Seal steaks.
Oh. We'll be eating for a year.
What's that?
We'll be eating for a year off of that puppy.
Nah, it's about 6 months.
Well, then we got 2.
There's your year.
Oh. You are super cool. Mm-hmm.
For the great white shark kids.
Oh, poor baby. Dude, I hate nature sometimes. Are they?